We're going to learn about the three sounds of GH, review IGH, and learn about EIGH. In most words, GH is silent. So if you only remember one rule, remember that GH is silent almost all the time. Here are some examples. IGH has a long I sound, so this part is I. So the word is sigh, tight. There are a few words where the GH has a silent H, meaning GH together will have the sound of G. Here we have a long O, so this word is ghost. This word is ghetto. And there are also a few words where GH sounds like the letter F. In both of these words, the OU will have a short U sound, so this is rough and tough. Like I said, most of the time GH is silent. One of the common letter combinations with a GH is IGH, which has the long I sound. So light, high. We can add suffixes and prefixes and it doesn't change anything. We will still have a long I sound. Tighter, pre-tighten, sight, right, night. KN has a silent K, so this word is also night. This night means the opposite of day. This knight is somebody who rode around on a horse to fight long ago. Here are some more words with a silent GH. In all of these words, EI is going to have a long A sound. So this sound is A. A. This is also A, with the GH being silent. 8, like the number. TH in this word will say th, eighth. 80. Remember that a Y at the end of a long word usually has a long E sound. Weigh, weight. We can add suffixes and it doesn't change the long A sound. Weighing, neighbor. Now OR usually says or, but at the end of a word it may take on a sound because it's easier to say. So while this looks like neighbor, most of the time people say neighbor as if this were ER. Freight. Now, one important exception is if EI comes after the letter C, it's going to have a long E sound. That will be covered in a different video. For now, if you just remember EIGH has the long A sound, that will be good enough. There are other vowel sounds that can be used with a silent GH. In this word, we have a long O sound, so this word is dough. We can also have a short O sound like in ought and bought. We can have a broad A sound of ah, taught, caught, daughter. There are a few words where GH has the sound of F. In these words, the OU will have a short U sound. So we have rough, tough, enough. In this word, we have a short O sound, cough. In these words, AU, rather than having its normal sound of ah, will have a short A sound. So we have laugh, laughing, and laughable. Notice we can add suffixes and it does not change the sound of the vowel. There are also a few words where GH has a hard G sound of G. In this word, the I is going to take on a long E sound. So this word is spaghetti. Now, I would like to point out that English words do not end in the letter I, but this was an Italian word that was imported, so we kept the spelling the same. This word starts with an A, and A often schwas or takes on a muffled sound at the beginning of a word. So this word is aghast. OR says or, so this word is sorghum. Sorghum is a kind of grain. In both of these words, the O and U will have the long OO sound, which is the oo of the word moon. So this word will be ghoul and ghoulish. If you found this video useful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.